Assuming you're searching for Bitgert cost expectations estimate for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Bitgert Brsie will generally go from now on, we will investigate the very past costs of Bitgert Brsie and will, in every practical sense, figured out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Kindly remember that you really want to truly take this forecast and each kind of other expectation with the aim that this truly is just the idea of some market master examiners. Not to truly make reference to anticipating something so ideal generally is totally incomprehensible, which sort of is very huge. Be that as it may, we will make an honest effort. We should explicitly begin amazingly. Bitgert for the most part past value examination as per the in a real sense, the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of Bitgert certainly is $10.18 and Brise is presently basically positioned #519 in the whole crypto environment, or so they thought. The core supply of Bitgert generally is 395, 688, 215, 721, 653 with a market cap of $72, 516 in an extremely significant manner. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto in every way that really matters has been by and large diminished by 0.94% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we in every practical sense look at the in every way that really matters current market cap of the Brise with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap most certainly is likewise down. From truly most recent 7 days, the Brise was an awesome vertical pattern and expanded by 1183%, which basically is very critical. Bitgert in every practical sense has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of late, and this could be excellent chance to dive right in and contribute in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitgert value expectation 2024 Bitgert cost explicitly is estimate to arrive at a sort of the least conceivable degree of $2.22 in 2024. According to our discoveries, the Brise cost could in every way that really matters arrive at a by and large most extreme conceivable degree of $1.25 with the typical conjecture cost of $1.23. Bitgert value expectation 2025 according to the conjecture and specialized examination. In 2025, the cost of Bitgert is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $1. The Brise cost can sort of arrive at a greatest value worth of $1.03, with the extremely normal worth of $1.32, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Brise value estimate for 2026 as per our by and large profound specialized examination on certainly past value information of Brise. In 2026, the cost of Bitgert is anticipated to, for the most part, reach at an especially least degree of $1.45 in an especially enormous manner. The Brise cost can explicitly arrive at a kind of most extreme degree of $1.53 with a typical exchanging cost of $1.46. Bitgert Brise value expectation 2027 the cost of one Bitgert is supposed to, for the most part, reach at least degree of $1,867 in 2027. The Brise cost can by and large arrive at an especially greatest degree of $9.78 with the typical cost of $9.69 all through 2027 incredibly. Bitgert value expectation 2028 Bitgert cost essentially is conjectured to arrive at a fundamentally the least conceivable degree of $1,093 in 2028. According to our discoveries, the Brise cost could arrive at a most extreme, certainly conceivable degree of $1 with the typical conjecture cost of $96, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitgert value expectation 2029 and the cost of Bitgert is in a real sense anticipated to reach at a fundamentally least worth of $1 in 2029, which certainly is genuinely critical. The Bitgert cost could for the most part arrive at a greatest worth of $2 with a typical exchanging cost of $1 all through 2029. Bitgert Brise value expectation 2030 as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Brise. In 2030, the cost of Bitgert basically is determined to be at around a base worth of $1. The Bitgert value worth can fundamentally arrive at a genuinely limit of $2 with the really normal exchanging worth of $2. Bitgert value gauge 2031 according to the figure cost and specialized examination. In 2031, the cost of Bitgert is anticipated to, in every practical sense, reach at least degree of $3. The Brise cost can explicitly arrive at a very greatest degree of $4 with the typical exchanging cost of $3. Bitgert Brsie Value Forecast 2032. The cost of Bitgert most certainly is in a real sense anticipated to by and large reach at a really least worth of $4 in 2032. The Bitgert cost could arrive at an, in every practical sense, greatest worth of $5 with the typical exchanging cost of $5 all through 2032 in a genuinely huge manner. Bitgert Value Expectation 2033. The cost of Bitgert is basically anticipated to generally reach at the very least degree of $6 in 2033 amazingly. The Bitgert cost can arrive at a by and large greatest degree of $08 with the typical cost of $7 all through 2033. Bitgert Value Gauge 2040 associations and joint efforts with laid out organizations or enterprises can contribute fundamentally to standard acknowledgement. In light of our Bitgert cost expectation in 2040, the sort of least anticipated cost is $127 and can reach as extremely high as $155 for the year 2040, which is genuinely huge. It can exchange at a normal kind of typical cost of $136, which is genuinely critical. Brise Value Estimate for 2050. The reception and true use instances of a digital currency are similarly crucial contemplations. Projects with useful applications and far and wide reception truly are all the more genuinely liable to persevere in the really lengthy run. According to the Bitgert cost gauge for 2050, Brise essentially is expected to fundamentally arrive at a most extreme value worth of $217 in 2050, which in every practical sense is very critical. The by and large least anticipated cost of Brise coin in 2050 is supposed to sort of be around $119, or so they thought. While the in every way that really matters, normal cost of the Bitgert for 2050 for the most part is projected to be $198 in an unpretentious manner. Bitgert Value Estimate Facts. What is the eventual fate of Bitgert? The fate of Bitgert is profoundly in every way that really matters, subject to the very in general presentation of the crypto business in an unpretentious manner. With regards to putting resources into Brise, you really want to ensure that you are utilizing the right procedure. This sort of speculation sort of isn't appropriate for those with an unbalanced gamble profile, which is very huge. In any case, it generally is as yet a superb venture for the people who truly have a high capacity to bear risk and a strong monetary position. Notwithstanding its theoretical nature, Brise likewise sort of offers openness to a worldwide innovation and a steadily developing biological system in an unpretentious manner. How in every way that really matters, much will Bitgert sort of be genuinely worth in 5 years amazingly. In 5 years, Bitgert will truly have a for the most part least cost of $1 and a greatest cost of $93 per Brise amazingly. Since Bitgert generally is exchanged on a market interest premise, its worth